In Part 8 of The Book Thief, known as The Word Shaker, Dominoes and Darkness, Markus Zusak interweaves themes of family, regret, and the stark reality of war, using a seemingly simple family scene to foreshadow future tragedy. The section begins with a tense family moment in the Steiner household as Rudy's youngest sisters, with the innocent candor only children possess, refer to the two men at their kitchen table as monsters. These men are there to discuss Rudy's potential enrollment in a Nazi training school owing to his exceptional academic and athletic talents. Meanwhile, Rudy and his siblings, removed from the adult conversation but aware of its gravity, engage in a game of dominoes, a game that carries deeper symbolic weight. The game of dominoes serves as an apt metaphor for the unfolding events in the story. Much like the dominoes that fall one after the other once tipped, Rudy's decision to excel athletically and academically sets off a chain reaction of events that lead to tumult in the Steiner family's life. In a moment of childlike whimsy, Rudy's siblings ask him to light a candle so they can watch the dominoes fall by its flickering light. Unaware of the darker implications of their game, Rudy obliges, embodying both the role of a protective brother and a young boy on the cusp of understanding the much darker game playing out around him. As Rudy eavesdrops on the conversation between his parents and the strangers, the weight of choice and consequence becomes more apparent. His athletic abilities and high test scores, once sources of pride, are now liabilities, attracting unwanted attention and placing his family in a precarious position. His parents, Alex and Barbara Steiner, resist the idea of sending Rudy away, aware of the merciless nature of the school proposed by the men. The tension in this scene beautifully captures the heart of the novel's conflict, the personal sacrifices and moral dilemmas faced by ordinary Germans under Nazi rule. Death, serving both as a character and the story's narrator, uses this moment to foreshadow the regret and tragedy that will soon befall the Steiner family. While Rudy is able to stay with his family for the time being, death ominously reveals that had Rudy been sent away, his father, Alex, might have found life more bearable, and chillingly, Rudy might have lived. This revelation underscores one of the novel's central themes, the cruel irony of choices in times of war, where decisions made to protect one's loved ones can inadvertently lead to their harm. Zusak uses the motif of regret to link Rudy's storyline with Hans Huberman's previous decisions regarding Max, a Jewish man hiding in their basement. Just as Hans grapples with the regret of sending Max away to protect his own family, Barbara and Alex unknowingly seal their son's fate by refusing to let him attend the Nazi school. This parallel enriches the narrative, illustrating how the oppressive nature of the Nazi regime ensnares and victimizes individuals who resist or succumb to its demands. In summary, through the innocent game of dominoes and the dark realities behind the Steiner family's closed doors, The Word Shaker, Dominoes and Darkness poignantly captures the emotional and ethical struggles at the heart of The Book Thief. It illuminates the complexities of human choice, the pain of regret, and the tragic outcomes that often accompany even the most well-intentioned decisions during times of war. The chapter not only develops Rudy's character, but also serves as a poignant reminder of the precariousness of life during World War II, urging readers to contemplate the broader implications of individual actions within the sweep of history. So that's our Bookly Crash Course for today. Make sure to check out our full chapter-by-chapter playlist on the Bookly Crash Course channel.